At a 16th or more, it's really not doing very much. But if you push it into a 32nd, it's definitely going to start to engage. And if you're dealing with hardwoods with a bit of figure in the wood, or you're going against the grain, you might even want to get it into a 64th of an inch. So what then does a 0.5 millimetre and 1 millimetre look like, or a 64th and a 32nd? Let's take a dive. So there's your 1 millimetre from the tip, and there's your 0.5 millimetre from the tip. Quite discernible really, and quite easy to achieve. It's only a matter of loosening the screw and then tapping the chip breaker up till you get the 0.5 millimetre.